Okay, today we'll be replacing wheel studs on this Chevrolet HHR, as you can see right there. We unbeat it from the tires, so we're actually going to go back to factory, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a full set plus a full-size spare, thanks to AH Did It. Nobody knows who AH Did It is. I'll link his channel somewhere over here. And he was a big help in helping me find some spares. But if you've been following my channel, you know that in order to fit those wheels, bolt pattern adapters, right? We had to go to 114.3 from the 5x110 or whatever. So in this video, you could probably consider it to be, more or less, how to replace your wheel studs. Okay, so first thing you want to do is jack the car up. Now, most people would prefer to maybe use a wrench to take off their lug nuts. Now we're going to remove the lug nuts from the adapter we have on here. Now, if you're just replacing your lug nuts, you won't have this adapter, right? So just point that out. All right, next thing you want to do is actually get all this, your caliper removed up here, take off your rotor so you have easier access to these studs. And so with your caliper off, now you have almost full access to your wheel hub here. Be careful when removing these bolts. This one back here, I don't know if you can see it, but back there, I thought it was the caliper bolt. Chose the wrong one. That one's going to the wheel hub right here. So had to reinsert that, take out this bolt here. And then what you want to do is you want to grab a good sledge. Just tap these out. Now, for the other wheel lifted, you can kind of, oh, hold on, turn this in a way, because it's front wheel drive, so the front's going to be the hardest. There's a small space right around there where you can knock the whole stud out. Alright, got one end. As you can see, it's this little area right here. This is the little peekaboo. That's where you can just kind of just ease it in. So, I got them all out. Now we're replacing them all one by one. Tap it in. Boom. Boom. You don't need to remove the whole hub for you to do this. Just keep on doing the same dance. Tap it in. Now, obviously, like, yeah, oh wow, you're gonna damage your threads. Oh, look it. No, son. So how are we gonna tighten this? Some people will be like, oh, you need a tool, this and that. No, dude, just take a nut. So you get the nut on there until it's nice and set. Watch that fucker go. And you're done. And if you're having some issues compressing these back here, just put a little dab of WD-40 on there, and it'll go in like butter. All right, once you have your rotor and your caliper back on, time to put on your wheel. And now with the wheel on, you could do the same thing to the other side. The back ones are much easier. So I'm hoping for easy, but drums usually can take a little bit to get off. So what you want to do is kind of take a hammer, maybe a sledge, hit in between the studs here, kind of offset here, hit these areas, and you'll kind of know when it comes loose. It might take a little while, it could take a short period of time. Just hit it with your purse and see what happens. All right, once you're done hitting it with your purse, you see right here, plenty of access to knock these out and put new ones in. Once you have all of them out, time to install your new ones. Just an FYI, there's little pockets where you can fit the whole stud through, but you have to come in like this. And then come through like so. Yay! Alright, so once you have all your studs on, completely compressed. It's time to put your drum back on. All right, so there we have it. Wheel on, this wheel, and this wheel. So that, my friends, is how you go about replacing your wheel studs. This could apply to many vehicles, if not all vehicles that are equipped with wheels. And as you can see, it's not very hard to do. Now, this one was specific to a Chevrolet HHR, and if you're looking to replace your wheel studs on your HHR, I'll link the parts below, what studs I use. It was on Rock Auto. It was like $8 for a whole set. At the end of the day, though, wheel studs are pretty similar on all vehicles. So if this helped you, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, all that fun, cheesy stuff. And I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one. We're going to be replacing an O2 sensor because I have a slow circuit response on my Dodge Charger. Got to pass emissions. So that's coming after you. So stay tuned.